Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to talk about the roadmap on VLSI domain for ECE freshers. I have already made a video on various VLSI subdomains within VLSI, and I have already linked that in the description box, and also I'll link it there. You can go there and check it out. But in today's video is mainly for the students who are in their first and second year of engineering and who are confused to confused about what are the concepts that you need to learn during your engineering in order to enter into VLSI domain, right? So today is the video for those, because many of your first and second year students are messaging me in my LinkedIn in order to create a video for ECE freshers, which is why today I'm creating a video on VLSI domain roadmap for for ECE freshers, right? So at starting, everyone has this confused state. Don't worry about that. Like, what are the how to enter into the VLSI domain, and what are the subjects that we need to learn within our engineering, and within those subjects, what are the important concepts that we need to cover during interviews and all. So all these things will be having, all these things will make you confused. Okay, but don't worry about that. So first thing you need to have is clarity. Okay, you need to have clarity on what is your core domain and what are the subjects that you need to concentrate on during your engineering if you want to enter into VLSI. Okay, ECE is having many core domains like VLSI, semiconductors, telecommunications, right? In this way, you are having many core domains. Among all these core domains, VLSI is one of the core. So, in order to enter into this VLSI domain, what are the subjects that you need to have a grip on? That you should have clarity. Clear? And then, along with this clarity, you should have one important thing, which is consistency. Okay, so starting 1 to 3 days, you will be fine with everything that you are doing, and then again you will leave it. So that is not the case. Will make you achieve your goal. So giving clarity to you about your domain is my duty, and consistency is yours, right? So this video is about the roadmap on VLSI domain for ECE freshers. Before getting into today's video, if you are new to my channel, consider subscribing my channel and hit on the notification bell also. And if you like this video, please do like it, share it, and subscribe it. And if you want to enter into design and verification domain within VLSI, you can just subscribe to my channel and learn the courses related to design and verification domain, right? So let's get into today's video. As I told you, let us take it step by step. So the first step that you need to do during your first and second years of engineering is that you need to have a good knowledge on your core subjects. So you need to know what are the core subjects in VLSI, and you need to have a good grip on all the basics of this found all the good basics of this core subjects. So the first thing you need to learn is digital electronics. You need to have all the good knowledge on these digital electronics concepts like logic gates, flip flops, FSMs. So all these concepts you need to understand. You need to have a good grip. That is important. Understanding is not important. You need to have a good grip on all the logics behind this logic gates, flip flops, everything. Right? The first subject is digital electronics. Then analog electronics like BJTs, MOSFETs, op amps. So all these things you need to take care of. Then comes signals and systems like Fourier transforms, Laplace transforms, Fourier series. So all these things you need to take good care of during your like second year, first and second year signals and systems. And then along with these three, you should have a knowledge on C programming and some basic Python knowledge. Basically, during your first and second year of your engineering, all the subjects that I have mentioned now will be covered. Okay, so during your first and second year, while you are studying, only get a good grip on all these concepts. Just don't study them for marks. Study them so that you can enter into your dream domain. Okay, so this makes a large difference. If you are studying for marks, you'll just study. If you are want to survive on that particular subject, then you should have a more concentration. You should know why is that happening. Like for example, if you want to learn a logic gate, if you are just doing it for marks, you'll just learn it, that's it. Okay, but when you want to survive on that particular uh, digital electronics, because that is your future, everything that you learn in digital electronics will hold your future. So just think like that and study while you're doing all the subjects like digital electronics and log electronics, signals and systems, C programming, or basic Python knowledge. Okay, so these are the strong core fundamentals you need to focus on. Then comes the next step. So this is your first step during your first and second year of engineering. Then comes the second step during your second and third year of engineering. Basically, what is that is domain awareness. This is really important because basically in VLSI we are having lots of subdomains, like we are having front end, back end, DFT, analog layout, mixed signal. In this way you are having lots of subdomains within VLSI. So and every subdomain will be having their specialized courses. Okay, some common courses will be there. Along with some common courses you will be having some specialized courses, right? So you need to know which domain you want to choose, which domain you are interested in. For this, you need to know what are subdomains within VLSI and which subdomain will be used for what purpose. So you need to know this in order to check the domain. Like you need to create awareness among all these domains. For that, I have made a video. I'll link that in the description box. You can go there and check it out. Right? So the second step is domain awareness. So after creating awareness on domain, basically you should almost every subdomain consists of should have good knowledge on Verilog HDL. So you should along within your second and third year of engineering itself, you should know the Verilog HDL language also. Try to learn Verilog HDL language. Basically, in engineering, you will be having VHDL, I think. Okay, so along with VHDL, try to learn Verilog HDL. Recently, many YouTube channels have uploaded Verilog HDL related videos. My channel is also having Verilog HDL tutorial. I link the playlist address in this description box. You can go there and check it out. Right? So this is your second step. First step is foundation on subjects. The second step is domain awareness, and then comes the third step. So after knowing your domain, like after knowing in which domain you are interested in, now comes the next step, which is hands-on experience. So how will you have this hands-on experience? Basically every engineering college will be having some tools like model sim, Vivado, cadence, right? At least one of them they will be having, right? So try to have a hands-on experience on these tools, right? Hands-on experience is nothing but try to write code using these tools. Okay, and then along with hands-on experience, try to create a mini project during your third semester, right? Third year basically. Okay, so try to create a mini project on this VLSI domain you are choosing. Okay, so after knowing which domain you are interested in, try to have a hands-on experience on tools and try to create a mini project on this particular domain. For example, if you are interested in some design and verification domain, then try to do some mini projects on ALUs or UART or FIFOs or sequence detectors. So in this way, try to categorize any of these things and try to do some mini project on this particular thing. One important thing that you should remember while you're doing your mini project is that you should know every line in your code. That is important. Running code is one thing, but the second important thing is you should know what what every line in your code is related to, which logic is behind it, and what are you doing it, Why are you doing it, which is a, where is it interlinked. So everything you should know about your code. You should know 100% of your code. Okay, this sets as a foundation while you are doing your main projects. Okay, so try to learn from mini projects itself. Try to write your code or try to learn from your code in your mini project itself. Okay, so this is the third step, hands on experience and plus mini project. Now comes the fourth step, that is applying for internships. Okay, try to apply for internships. Okay, try to use some internship websites. You'll like in LinkedIn, you will be having opportunities, or you can apply in internships at their DRDOs or ISROs. Okay, they will be giving some notifications and all. No? Try to follow them and try to apply internships at such things. Or also many IITs and NITs are also recently providing many startup interest. Many startup companies are approaching them for internships. So try to apply for internships. If you don't get any even though you have applied for internship, if you are not getting any opportunity, then that is not the end. Don't think that it is the end. If you are not having any internship experience also, you can make it. How? By doing a good main project. Okay, try to do a good main project, right? Try to stand out from others by doing a good main project related to your VLSI domain. Okay, so in this way you can stand out, your resume can stand out from others. So this is your fourth step, try to do good main project or try to apply for internships if possible. Okay, maximum try to apply it. Okay, if you are applying for 6 or 7 companies, at least you can hit one or two. Okay, try to apply as much as possible, and even though if you don't get any opportunity, don't think that it is the end. Try to put more focus on the main project so that you will be standing out from the crowd, right? This is your fourth step. Now comes the fifth step, which is specialization. Okay, try to have a specialized try to learn specialized concepts. As I told you, every subdomain will be having some specialized courses. For example, if you want to enter into design and verification domain, along with Verilog HTML, you need to learn system Verilog, UVM, and some protocols, right? So, all these comes under specialized courses. So, try to do specialized courses while you're doing your main project itself, so that it will be helping you to have a experience on your project, and also you will be having a good resume with more knowledge on all the specialized courses. Okay, try to build your resume with all the things that I have mentioned from starting. Try to have a good knowledge on core, try to have a domain awareness, try to do good mini and main projects so that you can stand out from the crowd while you are building your resume. Okay, and along with this, along with specialization in these courses, try to prepare for interviews and also try to build a good portfolio in your LinkedIn profile. Okay, so that maybe there may be a chances. Okay, so try to do all these things so that you will be standing out of the crowd. So if you are like if you want to enter into design and verification domain, I may suggest some ideas related to some main projects like AHB to APB bridge, or you can develop UVM based sequence detector verification, or you can have UR plus FIFO integration, and or else you can do D flip flop, like behavioral and structural development of this D flip flop, or SPI with state machines, and you can also develop a test bench for that, right? So these are some of the project ideas that I may give for you when you want to enter into design and verification domain. And if you are a fresher, you can apply do these projects so that your resume will be standing out of the others, right? So try to build a good resume. These are the things you need to remember if you want to enter into your core domain, right? So as an EC student, VLSI is one of your core. If you want to enter into core, you should start from day one. If when you come to final year and when you want to do all these things at once, it will become hectic for you, and then you need to waste more years in doing all these things again and again. So try not to do that. Try to start preparing from day one of your engineering itself, so that it will be easy for you when you come out of your engineering college. Try to remember these 5 steps. Step 1 is you should have a good foundation on your core subjects, good basic foundation on all your core subjects. Then you should have domain awareness, and then you should have hands on experience on tools and do good mini and main projects. Then comes try to apply for internships and do main projects in a try to do good main projects. And then comes the final step, which is specialization of your interview, specialization on your particular domain, and then try to prepare for interviews, right? So this is all that you have to do if you want to enter into VLSI domain. Not only VLSI, any core domain you want to prepare, you should do all these things if you want to enter into your core domain. Clear? So this is all for today's video, and if you like this video, please do like it, share it, and also subscribe it. Please do share it to all the ECE freshers who want to enter into VLSI domain. And within VLSI, if you want to enter into design and verification domain, and if you could afford, I am offering paid tutoring sessions. You can contact me through LinkedIn. And also, if you can't afford, I am uploading videos in YouTube related to design and verification courses. You can just follow me here. That is all for today. Thank you all.